My favorite blender for everyday use is this one right here, the ZWILLING Enfinigy Personal Blender. It's compact but powerful with a razor-sharp zwilling blade. It's super easy to clean because it's dishwasher safe. It comes with a travel lid, and you can also order a vacuum seal lid that's compatible with the ZWILLING Fresh and Safe system. I also use the personal blender to make a wide variety of sauces, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious savory buttermilk sauce. To start, I'm going to pour in some buttermilk, and I always like to start with liquids first so nothing sticks to the top when I'm blending. I'm going to add fresh herbs, which include dill and chopped cilantro, a jalapeno that's been de-seeded, caraway seeds for extra flavor, and some fresh garlic. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to round those flavors up. I'm now going to attach the lid and blend all of this until it turns smooth and creamy. This smells so good. I can smell the dill, the cilantro, and the jalapeno. I use it on onion rings, on French fries, on meats, potatoes, and vegetables. So are you ready to up your blender game? Learn more about the personal blender and all the other great Enfinigy products by going to zwilling.com or clicking the link below. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful demos. Thanks for watching.